Hello, my name is Mira, and today we will talk about new profession, data scientist. My presentation is based on the article Data Scientist, the Sexiest Job of the 21st Century, which was published by Thomas Davenport and DJ Paddle. And my presentation will start with a discussion of this new generation of new specialists. We will try to discuss who are they, opportunities that this profession opens for the specialists, and also the problems in recruitment that most of the companies faces right now in search of these data scientist specialists. In 2006, Jonathan Goldman became part of LinkedIn company. And at that point, he understood that the company is missing something. So Jonathan started to analyze data. And after doing that, he saw some new possibilities for the company. He found the way to increase the value of LinkedIn. And he proposed a new project. Basically, what he wanted to do is to propose for the users people that they might know. And this proposal came as advertisement on the right side of the page. Goldman project significantly increased the number of users in LinkedIn, and basically this project made this social network so successful. Basically, the analysis of data significantly increased the value of the company, and that is why today a lot of companies are facing toward this new breed, new generation of new specialists. Some may say that data scientist is high-ranking professional with the training and curiosity to make discoveries in the world of big data. This profession right now is very actual because today we have huge flow or even tsunami of information, and we need somebody that can understand it, that can analyze and structure it in a logic way, and even make some conclusions based on this data. However, there are only few people who are able to do that, and companies face the problem of scarcity of such specialists. But why there is a scarcity? Why data scientist is such a rare profession? What kind of special talent should this type of specialist have? And the first main feature of this profession is making discoveries while swimming in data. They basically understand information so good so they can structure large quantities of information and even make the analysis possible in such situation. And this feature is very important today in the business world where data never stop flowing, because those type of people can help to make final decision in the business process. And here comes the second main feature of this profession. Data scientists have to communicate what they have learned and suggest some new implications. And basically, data scientists have to prove their point of view. They have to prove that what they suggest is right. That is why it's critical for them to be creative in the way they display visual information. And also, they have to be very, very clear in making presentations. And this type of specialists are those who advise executive and even product managers to make this final business decision. Data scientist is hybrid of data hacker, analyst, communicator, trusted advisor, and the most important thing is to be a curious person. Only by having intense curiosity, this desire to find the problem, to find the question as it in its heart, can help this type of specialist to work with this huge amount of data and bring some results. And only a very curious person will have enough patience to do that and will have enough patience to work with such a huge amount of information. Another interesting fact is that a lot of scientists who are actual scientists become good in studying data. That probably happens because Each scientist have to design equipment, gather data, work with this data, make a lot of experiments, communicate with the results and give some results. A lot of companies made recruiting process for scientists who can work with complex data and the results were quite positive. Right now, a lot of scientists that work in the business sector today were only formally trained in computer science or even economics. And after that, we can conclude that if a person have enough patience to work with such amount of information, if he has talent to work with complex data in one sector, then this person can basically work in any field with different kind of data. But why people would like to work as data scientists? What are the opportunities for specialists in this sector? Basically, this work is very interesting because you have kind of data challenges. You flow in this information and bring and make some conclusions and bring some results. Also, this gives you a big opportunity to develop yourself because every day you find out something new, you just receive new information. Salary for this type of specialist is very good, and also this work is very valuable because data scientists are those who help to make final decision in the business process, and this is very motivational too. And recruiters should definitely point at the value of this profession. We understand that this profession is very interesting. However, in order for data scientists to really bring some results, the representatives of the company have to give them some freedom to make experiments. Also, the data scientists have to have really good relationships with the CEOs of the company in order to advise. And also, the company should accept the innovations that data scientists propose after their researches. Only after following these three features, the data scientist profession can really be effective. We understand that this profession is very actual and people who work as data scientists have really rare qualities and now those type of people are in demand. Companies understand that and now universities try to make a lot of master programs that can at least teach some basic of this data science. However, it's very costly. It's costly for universities to develop such programs. It's also costly for the companies to recruit such people and even maybe headhunt them from other sectors in economics. Of course, a lot of companies can save money and do not invest money in this new type of profession. They surely can wait until the second generation of data scientists emerges. However, there is an opportunity that they will be far more behind than the companies who did invest in data scientists, who hired them at the right time. And right now, it is a choice that any big company have to make and decide whether to be successful or not. Thank you very much for your attention.